Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm in Amsterdam at the moment and I am going to pack for my trip to Africa. I mentioned already a couple times that I'm going to do this big trip next week, and I don't know, I'm kind of excited, I'm kind of nervous, and I will kind of explain. So I'm gonna go with my parents and with my brother, and we're gonna go to Zimbabwe. Most of you guys know that I used to live there until I was 6 years old, and we basically have never been back since. So it's gonna be really exciting to go back to the place where we grew up, and yeah, to see the daughter of my old nanny who we like support to go to school. And I just cannot really imagine like what we're stepping into. So we're gonna go there, and then after I'm gonna go on a 5 days canoe safari. So we're literally just gonna go 5 days on a canoe with tents. So we're gonna be camping in the middle of nowhere next to the river with like crocodiles and everything. I know my parents are very adventurous. Sorry mom and dad. And then afterwards we're gonna go to Victoria Falls and do more like of a safari. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I won't have a phone for 3 weeks, and packing is gonna be super challenging. And obviously because we're gonna go camping and we're gonna be on the road like a lot, I cannot bring too much stuff. So I have to be very strict with the amount of clothes I can bring, and it has to be very practical as well, otherwise it's not gonna work. So today I kind of want to like share a little bit with you guys what I'm going to bring, what I'm going to pack, and yeah, what are my favorites. So the first thing I always do when I travel or when I pack, I lay everything out. So what I did here, so I kind of have like an overview, like how much stuff do I have, what do I add, and I often have like a little, like here I have my computer, and then I can just do like a little like to-do list. So let's see what we have here. Here I have all my fashion. So shoes, travel essential. I'm going to take a backpack because this will be easy for like day trips or like 2-day trips. Then I'm going to bring some sheets because we're gonna go camping and we're gonna go stay in a tent, and there will be blankets and stuff, but I just want to have something clean with me because I don't really know about that. So this is my very minimalistic wardrobe right here. I'm going to bring 2 sweaters, a blue one and a black one, because it can be very cold. Then I totally go into like the little safari colors for this trip. So I have like a long like kind of army pants, then I have another one, I really love this colors from Aritzia. And then I bring 2 denim shorts. I bring workout gear. So this is my favorite shorts from Lole with my Outdoor Voices top. Here I just bring a couple of t-shirts. I actually have a couple more in the laundry. This is like little crop top, little tiger. Here like 2 dresses. Then I have 3 little travel bags with underwear, bikinis and socks. And then I'm bringing this little ultra down, and this is kind of like a little jacket, and this is super easy to travel with, and it keeps you really warm because apparently in the evening it can get very cold, and this is just super light and easy. You can buy this like at Uniqlo or something. And then I want to share a couple of pieces I have right here. This is definitely an essential, just like a white like linen t-shirt. It's nice when it's really hot, protects you to the sun, but also yeah, can be when it cools down a little bit. Then to stay a little bit in like safari, I'm going to bring this like Reformation, like this skirt, which is super easy. Then I don't know if I'm actually going to wear this, but I just really love this, especially for like an Africa trip. This is like a dress from Isabel Marant, and maybe like 1 or 2 nights I can wear this for like a nice dinner or Instagram picture. And then I have like another, this is like a floaty linen pants. This one is from Max Mara. So as you can see, what I bring is mostly like floaty and all like neutral colors. This is more like a green, this is a cute revolt dress. And then also I will bring, I don't know if you can see it, this like top set from Free People. So those are a little bit my fashion basics. So actually I forget like something very important. My hat, it's gonna be super warm, so this really protects me to the sun. Super cute, like kind of linen. Then I have like a bucket hat. Also cute protection for the sun. And I bring one of those hats, little more safari. I hope this is gonna fit in my suitcase, by the way. Okay, then I think this is gonna take the other half of my suitcase, and that is my electronics. I have them all laid up here. This time I'm gonna bring a lot because I want to make a lot of nice content. Got a new camera, so I'm really curious to test it out there. These are all batteries, like SD cards, my iPad, and then my headphones. So this is my #1 travel essential, and these are my Sony headphones, and they actually have noise cancelling, which I find amazing in the plane. And I mostly use them for listening to audiobooks. It's funny because a little while ago on Instagram I asked if you guys could give me a couple of tips, and I wanted to say thank you because I have a lot of new inspiration right now. At the moment, or actually quite some while now, I have been using the app Audible, which is like the biggest library for audiobooks. And how it works, every month I get 1 Audible credit, and I can choose an audiobook like in every genre or every category, from like health and wellness to like thrillers to like finance. Then I get to choose 2 Audible originals in changing selection, which you can't get anywhere else. And you also have access to workouts, which I find amazing because, I mean, you know, I love to like squeeze in a little workout in the morning or in the evening, and even when I'm traveling. Are you guys Amazon Prime members like me? Then you only pay $4.95 for the first 3 months, and then you pay $14.95 and go to audible.com/wellness or text wellness to 500. And this offer ends July 31st, so be quick to check it out. And I'm actually going to show you guys quickly, where's my phone now? I just had it. How my library looks like. Because I asked you guys, but you're probably curious what I'm listening to as well. So I go to the Audible app, and it's really nice because you will always keep these books even if you end your membership. So here's my library, and I have now The Power of Now, Why We Sleep, and I have like Yoga Flow. And this one has been my favorite. It's literally about like the spiritual journey and about like living in a holistic lifestyle. And here you have like all chapters, so I can like speed through it or I can like listen back to it. And the great thing is, if you don't like your audiobook, you can always swap it for another one. So don't forget, you can go to audible.com/wellness, or you can text wellness to 500. The offer ends 31st of July, so you have to be quick. And then I think I'm ready for my holiday. I might also add like a little ab workout, because I am also bringing my yoga mat. And you probably think I'm like a little bit crazy, but I really feel if I just have a yoga mat, I can do so many workouts, and my mom really wanted to do it as well. So we kind of had a deal. I will bring the yoga mat and then she can use it as well. So I hope it's gonna fit in my suitcase, but it probably is. Then I also gonna bring food, because in Africa, I'm not really sure about the food. And Max did some shopping at Erewhon, which is my favorite supermarket. And I got these like fried dried sweet potato slices, really nice. Then I got some granola, just like easy for breakfast. And I might be crazy, but I'm going to bring a pot of nut butter. I am a little bit crazy. It's just so nice to put on like bread or like on crackers, or just put like in plain oatmeal or something. And I find it like it's full of protein, so I feel on a trip, especially when I'm on my canoe safari, I'm gonna be super happy. Then I'm also going to pack a couple of like protein bars, and these are actually my favorite from RX Bar. Yeah, super clean, super filling, super amazing. Okay, and then I'm going to share a couple things what I bring in my toilet bag. So on this trip I'm not going to bring a lot of makeup, obviously, so I just have this like little see-through bag, and I literally just put the basics in there. Something for my eyebrows, like a concealer, some like highlighter, mascara, and something for my lips. That's it for this holiday. Then we're gonna have my toilet bag, and I'm gonna share a couple of things what I have in here. Obviously I have sunscreen, very important. I also bought this one from Nivea, which is a spray, because for the body I really hate cream, so I'm going to take this one. Then I have a fragrance, the Michael Kors Wanderlust. I have my fresh toner. I have my Nutrafol hair supplements. I always bring them just in this bag. I have Omorovicka Daily Vitamin C Cream. Fresh deodorants. Hair ties, super important. For my contacts, very important. This M61 facial oil if my face is gonna get really dry. And obviously I have hair, toothpaste, hairbrush, and some backup contacts. Because it will be kind of a shame if I don't see the elephants, and that will be actually typical me, that like I forget my contacts and then we see all these like amazing animals and then I can't see them. So I really need to take those. I actually got my shots from previous trips, and this is a really important thing, and this is a good tip if you're traveling. Always look if you need like vaccines, or if you need like shots to protect yourself to not to get sick. I mean, it's never guaranteed, but probably helps a little bit. So I did a little like first aid. I got like betadine, mosquito spray, super important. This is like bite and sting. And yeah. So, okay, I think I kind of shared everything what I'm going to take with. It's time to pack up. I'm going to start with a yoga mat, because this is the largest item in my suitcase and it's going to be a challenge to take with. I roll it up as tight as possible and I try to squeeze it into my suitcase, and it actually works. Then I have my little lean travel bags with my underwear, socks and bikinis. Normally I travel with all my clothes in here, but as we're gonna hop around, it's not very convenient to take all little bags. I grab my jeans and I put them in the suitcase. I grab my big sweaters, and because these take a lot of space, I'm going to roll it. This is actually a good travel tip, to roll all your clothes to save a lot of space. On top of this, I put my bed sheet just in case. I close this side of the suitcase because it fills up so fast. On the other side, I'm taking my little fanny pack, which will be very easy to travel with. I add my accessory bag, and I'm going to take a bunch of cleansing cloths from M61. These are perfect for on the road, especially when I don't have a bathroom for a couple of days. I add my little jacket. As you can see, it's so easy to squeeze in there anywhere. I would highly recommend this for traveling. Then I grab my Isabel Marant flip-flops and I put them in a little bag. I always put my shoes in my bag, otherwise the dirt gets everywhere. Then I add my camera bag with batteries, chargers and cables.
I grab my hats and I put them upside down so I can feel them and they won't scrunch. I grab my granola and my nut butter. I'm a little bit crazy and I squeeze them in the corner. The protein bars will go in the side pocket. Then I grab my microphone and charger and I put this in the hat. And my suitcase is done. I grab my backpack and I put my camera in here. I always travel with my camera and hard drive in my hand luggage. I add my biggest travel essential, my headphones, to listen to my audiobooks and my iPad. For a little snack on the road, I'm taking my sweet potato chips as well. And done.
Ta-da! And we're all packed up. My dad actually just called and he said I probably should not bring a suitcase but a big bag on trolleys, so I might need to change it. But we're all packed up with my backpack. Obviously I am going to take my vlogging camera because I'm going to vlog the whole trip, which I'm really excited about. I hope to capture some great content for you. And don't worry, the weeks that I'm going to be away, I prepped a couple videos, so you will still see me every week. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I'm not going to be eaten by crocodiles or hippos or any other dangerous animals. And I hope to see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye bye.